Good morning from Everett, Washington. You know what I've never done? A polar plunge. So I'm gonna go do it. Let's go. Today is January 1st, 2026. Good day to try something new. Good thing about coming out and doing this in a somewhat unceremonious manner early in the morning is there's plenty of parking. Here goes. This is let's see if I can show you what I've got here. Just gonna walk right in at the boat launch. Hopefully it's not too slippery. All right. The air temperature this morning is 36 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not sure about the water temperature. It's warmer than 36, but it doesn't feel like it. Whew, okay, it reached the critical stage. Whew. Okay, maybe, is this deep enough yet? Okay, I think I'm gonna turn around because I don't want to drop my phone. Ooh. Happy New Year.